Oh, it's a shitty ass recording, that's for sure. But you know what?
Well, you can always buy tickets for the game.
Nah. I just want to get an idea that, you know.
Get a job at the game.
Now I've lost where they are.
Yeah.
Oh, well, oh, there they are. You can really see the red. Oh, yeah, there they are. I knew I wasn't going crazy. Oh, yeah, you know, if these are like that,
Yeah.
then you know we're going to be able to see 4th of July really good. I can hear him, but I can't see him. Okay, like, whatever. Well, Bill, you can really see the flash and the strobe of them, but where are they?
It's hard to tell with that.
Oh, you see the red?
Yeah, there they are. Just on the roof of that building.
It's so much fun here. I love it. You know, and this is why I would keep this ill-maintained piece of property. It sounds like popcorn. Okay, can't see anything, but.
I'll tell you that.
Oh, jeez.